Welcome back. I am Dr. Ruckus, bringing you a new deck every single day. And today we're playing SELESNYA Human Explosion. Did very well today, winning 63% of my games over the course of an hour. And the games were fun too. The hour went by like that. And a lot of the games were nail biters, a lot of big comebacks from what I thought was certain defeat. So super fun and different. Definitely give it a go and stick around to the gameplay. The core of the deck I built around Catilda, which is a 2-mana 1/1. It turns all of your humans into mana dorks. They now have tap at 1 mana of any of this creature's colors. Then combine that with either or Augur of Autumn, which lets you play lands from the top of your deck, and if you have Coven, creatures as well, and Realm Walker, which lets you play creatures off the top of your deck. You just pick human, everything's a human. You can get an explosion of value. You basically have tons of ramp from Catilda, or maybe lands from Augur of Autumn, and then creatures off the top of your deck from either of these, so you can make your board super wide and swarm your opponent out of nowhere. The rest of the deck is also just very solid. Intrepid Adversary can pump the entire board you've built. Sigardian Evangel, last time I played around with this deck, I only put one in the deck, and that was a mistake. This card is extremely strong by itself, and is especially good with Catilda, because by itself, it can dump 2 to 3 bodies onto the battlefield, which can all be turned into mana dorks. Then we have one of my favorite cards from Alchemy, the Grizzled Huntmaster. Put it down turn 3, drop off something irrelevant. Maybe you don't need an extra 1-drop anymore, or an extra legendary Catilda, and go fetch anything from the sideboard. Brutal Cathar is excellent against clerics, which tend to only run 1 to 2 Vanishing Verses. So if you can flip back and forth, you can just completely devastate their board. Elite Spellbinder is for that crucial snagging of Meathook Massacre just before they play it. Guardian of Faith, kind of a fun of. I thought it could be fun to surprise the people with it. Inquisitor Captain is what you usually want to get. For that reason, we only have 3 in the deck and 1 in the sideboard, which means between Huntmaster and Captain, you basically have 7 copies of Captain in the deck. And lastly, our flex spots, just Ulvenwald Oddity as a 4-mana 4/4 trample haste in case it helps close the game out. Sigardia to pump squad, the entire team, and then a Vorinclex, kind of the same as Oddity, just a little bit stronger in case you need it. So that's the deck. Hope you enjoy the gameplay. Let's dive right in. Nice. Up against Mr. Hottie. Mr. Hottie meets Dr. Ruckus. Okay. White it is. Okay, we'll have to decide between turn 2 Evangel and, ooh, alright, they're ramping up to something. Man, I really like the tap down effect. Yeah, let's get the Evangel down. Both are valuable. Okay. Always a tough decision between if it's more valuable to get that second Evangel later or the full pump squad effect. Alright, this could be mono green aggro, not sure yet. Get Realm Walker down after combat. Attack first. Should not have anything here, I don't think. Take 3, that's nice. Realm Walker down. Human. More Realm Walkers on top, okay. Next turn, Captain. Could be holding Divide here. Man, we can just start getting value off the Realm Walker, though. I like that, too. I cannot turn down free value. Ooh, and we get another one also. That's pretty sweet. I guess in case they kill the Realm Walker, we'll play this now. That is value right there. All right, attempt to bop them for 5, 6 here. Is there a divide? Nope, take it all. Okay, that is quite the board presence to deal with. Feeling pretty good about myself. Asika's Chariot. A little slow. Now I wish I had that Evangel down. Okay, we can go Captain or just pump the entire squad. Pump squad seems pretty good here. Alright. That is a lot of power. Scoop. Sweet. Okay, not bad. Cool, I'll take it. Alright. Layer of the Hydra, holding priority. Classic. Alright. Okay, who's better 2-drop? They're dragons, so lifelink is probably going to matter. I think if they had to kill one of these, I'd rather them kill the Evangel right now. I would like the lifelinking adversary to survive. Tap you down. Okay, let's see if they pick off the Evangel now. They do not? Okay. Turn 3. I still think we're up against dragons, maybe? Not sure. We need second green here. Attack first, see what they do. They take it all, okay. Second green. Augur of Autumn. Play lands off the top now. Okay, land is on top. Good to know. Alright, it is dragons, of course. Alright. I think we are going to play captain here. We could also pump squad with the intrepid adversary and get in with the Evangel. But captain might just be better. I mean, next turn... I mean, captain's always the right answer, right? Let's try it. Okay, and we tap you down. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like this a little better. Alright, not bad. The opponent down to 12. That matters. Realmwalker on top. This next turn we might just Intrepid Adversary. Pump Squad, get in with basically everything. Let's see what kind of field they can muster here. Alright, Dragon's Fire there. That's fine. We don't have any Mimics anyway. Do they attack, though? I don't think they should, but they might. Alright, we get land off the top. I like that. Yeah, I think we'll just drop the Intrepid. I like that. We only get one pump, but that's okay. Okay, so there is stick here. So that means I'm going to attack with everything. Because, I think they're going to pick off the Intrepid Adversary anyway. So we might as well try to get in with everything. Yep. Oh, they do it right there. Okay, sure. That makes things a little easier. So I was going to attack with everything because I thought they were going to try to... Oh, nice. I thought they were going to try to kill the adversary after blocking with Moonveil, pick off one of these. And so if they're going to pick off one of ours anyway, we might as well just get in. All right, end here. Well, we have lethal on the board. What do we want to do next turn? They scoop. All right, nice. I'll take it. Okay, not bad at all. See if we can go nuts. Little Catilda Augur action. Tap land down first. Catilda on 2, I think, this time. Ooh, little mirror action. Okay. Catilda down. Let's ramp it out. Field of Ruin. Okay, interesting. Okay. Selesnya control here. What do we need more of? I guess more green right now. Let's get the Augur out. No attacks. I don't want to lose my Catilda right now. I'm very excited to see how this game goes. Once we get our 3-drop down, we can play creatures off the top too. Another Professor. Alright, that blocks the Augur. I think we'll let it go. Man, they just want to sweep the board though. Okay. So... we play Evangel. Tap down one of the Professors, I think. It's okay. Tap down you. Man. Do we want to play the Cathar? Sure. I guess both of these are free cards. This is a little more mana efficient, though, so we'll do this anyway. Okay. Get in there. Wideboard assembled. Next turn, we're going to go off. I mean, we'll have infinite mana next turn. We're just worrying about Doomscar. We might not even go off too crazy because of the imminence of Doomscar. I wonder if they play that, like, new green-white sweeper. Yasharn. Okay, that's not a sweeper. Fine by me. So, probably Pump Squad with Intrepid Adversary this turn. Alright, what do we need? I guess more white would be good right now. More land on top. Alright. I think we will just run out of triple... No! What? Okay. Well, I didn't really want to do that, but that's fine. Alright. Get in there. Wow. Yeah, I wanted to tap the Catilda instead of this. Okay, sure. I mean, I got more where that came from. Put it down to 10. Can they sweep the board here? If not, this might be game. Is it a 5-mana Doomscar? Survey says. They might not have us here. I don't think they would hesitate so much if they did. Nope. Alright. Hopefully we can get through this turn. Another Catilda on top. Sure, we can play you. Is that worth it? I mean, we probably just have lethal, right? I think we just have lethal. Whatever. They can Field of Ruin if they want, but that should be game. All right. Let's see that instant 3-mana board wipe spell. Okay, sure. Does that do it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It actually does. They're down to 4 now. All right, not bad, opponent. You have proved me wrong. So we could have dumped a Catilda and another Augur on the board if we wanted to. But we're in a pretty decent position now. We did lose our Field of Ruin you. They're like, yeah, I'm not messing with that. I guess we'll get more green right now. And it shuffled away. That's pretty good. What do we want off the Huntmaster? Sciences. Sciences again. Well, I don't think there's a way to get to lethal really right now. So we'll start here, I think. We can drop off the Augur. Sure. Alright, here's what we're going to do. No, you're fine in the deck. Let's go ahead and grab Guardian of Faith. I don't think they had Doomscar last turn, or they would have used it. So they have to top deck it here. The other thing we could do is get Vorinclex. Let's get Guardian of Faith, though, because I never get to see this card played. Oh, we can play off the top, sure. Probably should have played the creature land. I just get excited about free value. What can I tell you? Alright. Let's see Guardian of Faith in action. They go Doomscar. We phase out everyone. How's that? Seems sweet. What did I think was the better option? Oh, yeah. Vorinclex is also good. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, definitely should have played the Lair of the Hydra last turn. Are they going to get through this? They can't. They can't, right? They go up to 5 now. They block here, take... Or, let's see. Submit 0. Human. Now, should I play the creature land? No, we're going to play you on white. Another Catilda. Okay. Get in there. Say block here, take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Good game. Boom. Selesnya humans go in the distance. Very decent opening hand. No 2-drops. Other than that, looking great. And there's a 2-drop right on time. Initiate on 1. Only gripe is that we are on the draw, but we'll figure it out. Potentially, a little Orzhov control. Yeah, okay. All right. Yep, just get you down. No attacks. Probably just get the captain with the Huntmaster. Drop off the Hopeful Initiate. That's going to be quite good. What else do we get? Spellbinder. Cleric class. Okay, interesting. It's a pretty slow turn for them. Alright, so they're not just straight up Orzhov control. Some kind of life gain. Alright, interesting. They are some kind of life gain. This has Vigilance. So, yeah, we might as well trade off here. I think that's fine. But then if we attack back... No blocks. We'll attack back and then the Hopeful Initiate can grow too. Play the Huntmaster after combat, I think. Attack with both. See if they want to block here. Menace and Lifelink. Nice. And we'll just get a captain off of the Huntmaster, I believe. Yep, Huntmaster comes down. Sure, exile you. I think we'll leave the rest of them in the deck. We really don't need to draw them at this point. Let's drop these bad boys off. And take a captain for our next turn. Beautiful. Vanishing Light. Alright, a little too late there. We already got our value. Lifelink Menace comes through. Alright, we will actually play the captain before combat. Just see what we hit. Vandal can tap them down. Grizzly can get another captain. I like it. Yeah, I think we'll drop you off. Captain's just going to be better. I don't have any more in the deck. Captain Train. Bottom for 2, down to 19. So do they run like Meathook Massacre in their creature-heavy deck? I don't know. Menace and Lifelink. So they could -3 Massacre no matter what? Man, I don't know what they have. I think they would just want a -3 Massacre, maybe. I think they're trying to cheese damage. That's my best guess here. Yeah, I think they're just trying to cheese damage. Here comes a -3 Massacre. Yep, okay. Have another captain ready to go. Realm Walker as well. I think we'll just play the captain anyway. Sure. Need one more different power to get the Augur effect, but Angel of Destiny, uh-oh. Flying Double Strike. Okay. This lets us play creatures off the top. This just taps this down. I mean, what we really need is to get a Brutal Cathar now. I mean, this puts a lot of value onto the field, though. I think we'll just do this instead. Man, we could also just go Realm Walker. We can't do Realm Walker and Catilda. Alright, we've already committed to this plan. So, that's fine. So be it. Yeah, we'll tap you down. Too bad we can't get Catilda. And whatever, yeah, we'll tap you down. I don't know. Alright, get in there a little bit. Interesting. Catilda next turn. We could go nuts with Catilda next turn. We're going to need it. We need a Huntmaster is what we need. Is that game? Shit. Fuck. They got us with a double Angel. Yeah, I don't think we got to play that any differently, though. Double Angel for the win. Nice. That's not so bad. Get our tap land down on 1, then layer untapped on 2. Go from there. Do we play Thalia? Let's see what they play here. Angel of Unity is clerics. Okay. Interesting. Do we want more Captain or just Brutal Cathar against clerics? I might just take Brutal Cathar. And I guess we'll play the adversary here. Because Thalia is not doing a whole lot against their 1-3 blocker. Next turn, Huntmaster, drop off Thalia. Go get Brutal Cathar, I think. Okay. They attack first. That means they don't have a growing lifelink creature. That's it. Wow. All right. I think the play is the same. We could also play Realm Walker. Could also play Adeline. But if we just Brutal Cathar, whatever they play next turn, we're going to be in a great position. So let's try it. All right, drop you off. And, oops, that's fine. Yeah. I think we'll just get Brutal Cathar here. All right, 3 lifelink damage coming in. Do they have a removal spell here? They do. Okay, fine. Again, we're just going to Cathar whatever they play next turn. Assuming it's a worthy target. And I think it will be. Yep, it's going to be a good target. That's for sure. And they ran out their, hopefully, only Vanishing Verse. Can't run that many Vanishing Verses with the Pyre in this deck, too. Okay, more land. Yeah, I think we are going to run out Cathar this turn. Shut off that life gain source. Okay. Game a little laggy right now. Interesting. Okay, that's all. What's next? 4 mana. Captain. It could have been us. But we chose the hard life. We chose the Cathar life. No spells to flip. Aura. Okay. Fine. I guess we could go Cigar to pump squad this turn. Sure. Alright. More land. Yeah, Cigar to pump squad's decently good, I guess. We could also just go Realm Walker and start the value train. But I'm afraid. Get more white down. I think we'll play Sigarda here. Let's see if they want to trade here. They might trade just to get back their Angel. We could play Realm Walker. Yeah, they do want to trade. Okay. But if we just hit land, it's going to feel bad. And there's a little more mana efficient to make this play. Oh, right. The Cleric is not in their graveyard because we have it with Brutal Cathar. All right. That's pretty good for us then. Okay. Okay, thinking about what to choose next. Comes in as a 3/3. And Voice of the Blessed. All right. They're doing the thing. What kind of response can we levy against them? No attacks, supposedly. We are down to 17. They're eyeing our cards here. My turn. More lands. Okay. We want to leave up double white. So tap you. I guess that's fine. That's okay. Yeah. Human. Let's see what's on top here. Trevid Adversary. I think we want to draw that next turn, actually, and pump squad. Alright, so enter combat here. Attack just with you. I doubt they'll block. Go down to 20. Play Adeline after combat. If you play it before combat, the 1/1 token attacks automatically, and they can just chump block with the lifelinker and grow their things. So you want to play that after combat here. Next time, we'll get a decent pump squad on. And if they get greedy and attack, okay, that's tough. This will be interesting. The thing is, so long as we have Realm Walker out, we actually can generate a ton of value. I don't know if we can overcome Clerics or not. I think what we need is another Huntmaster to get another Cathar. I think that's how we get out of this game. Maybe we should have held back for that reason. Okay, so we can't play land. Well, here comes a big one. Autopay. Autopay. I think we send you in. I think I want to keep the Realm Walker back. Send Sigarda in too. Let's try it. Augur of Autumn. Play lands off the top of the deck. That seems pretty good. I think I like that. I think I just want to keep this engine going. Sigarda and Evangel. That's going to be huge. We might be able to tap down their entire board and go for the win next turn. Something like that. Okay. We're definitely going to get rid of Aura, I think. Because that's just going to make everything... Well, it's actually tough. We get rid of the Cleric's of Life Bond. That's not terrible. Let's actually get rid of the Cleric. I think that's a little more valuable right now. Turn off some of that life-gaining power. Yeah, it's going to grow. Okay. End here. So if they stumble at all here, we tap down their entire board and hit them with... What is this? 10, 16, 22. Okay, it'll be close, but not quite there. Yeah, interesting game here. Okay. We really want Brutal Cathar now. Do they attack? They do. Okay. Land off the top. So we can tap 3 things down. That's not lethal. We can leave back Sigarda to chump block next turn. We can also play the Augur. And play land off the top and look for a different answer. We could do nothing, flip to nighttime. Then double spell next turn. That might actually be our best bet. Do nothing. We have the Lair of the Hydra too. Alright, and I think that's actually our best plan here. Chump block with Sigarda. Yeah, big risk there. Maybe we should have been flipping the Cathar earlier. They read the Cathar, they're like, uh-oh, that's what's coming next. So we can power up Hydra for 5. Damn. And they freaking have that. That blows. They top deck that. Fuck. Well, that's basically game, but we'll see. Yeah, that sucks. Damn. Let's see who gets in there. Just you? Okay. I can't believe they top deck that. That's so bogus. So now what do we need? We need a way to get a Cathar. Okay. Wow, that actually does it. What, exile the Evangel, I think? Even though it can go super wide. I think I want to be able to play lands off the top of my deck. Okay. Now keep you in the deck. Get another Cathar now. Crazy game. Fuck, it comes in on the... Oh, we're going to flip, though, because we double spelled this turn. All right, we're okay. Whew. No attacks. Flip. Take this asshole away. wonder if they have us just with the creature lands. I haven't mathed out if they have lethal yet. We at least have lifelink off the Intrepid Adversary. So now if we double spell again, we'll flip, I think. What is this? No spells. I don't know if we want to keep flipping or not. Well, let's see if we can get him into some bad blocks here. Trying to figure out if they can get up to 27 life. Lands, nice. Okay, attack with just one. Attack with you too. No blocks. Taking 3 per turn. 3 turn clock acquired. We can always attack with adversary to get a bunch back. Catilda. That's pretty big. Right? Man, if we go Catilda, we could potentially go nuts here. I think let's try it. Evangel's okay. Then I think we'll try it. Let's tap down you, I think. And I think we'll take one more. We don't have enough land. But I want to get in with the adversary. So yeah, I think we'll do this. Oh wait, we have infinite mana. Because of... Interesting. So we can do this one more time, or we can get the Realm Walker off the top as well. Let's do it like this. Tap down their last blocker, I think. Alright, how much damage is that? Oh, I think that's game, actually. Wow. Right? Yeah, it's definitely game. Whew. Damn. That's 11, 16, 21, 25, I think. They were at like 22 or something. All right, that feels good. Man, I was so pissed when they top decked Vanishing Verse for our Brutal Thar, but I guess we got the top deck back. Nice. That is a mulligan, sadly. What's up with the lands, man? Okay, significantly better. Beautiful curve here. Probably put one captain back, actually. Just make sure we curve out. Well, if we keep Catilda... But if Catilda dies, we're screwed. Nah, let's not be greedy. Put a captain back. Opponent thinks we're mono white. Okay, dragons might kill Catilda immediately. We'll see here. Give it a go, though. If we can get Catilda Realm Walker down and just accumulate a ton of value, that'd be sick. But it looks like it's going under the bus. Play with fire immediately off the bat. Okay. Mowgli Mancub. 2 mana. It's Rahilda. Interesting. Well, we have a decent block with that with the Realm Walker, so we'll give that a go. Human. Ay, ay, ay. So if they try to attack, that means they have another play with fire. That would suck. Seems very likely they have that, though. They just straight up remove it. Okay. Alright, so they are burn, aggro, whatever you want to call it. We will get to captain this coming turn. Let's see what they steal from Rahilda, though. That's going to be the tough part. Non-land card. Exiled. Ugh, that sucks. What do they get here? Alright, that is okay with me. As far as cards I can go steal. That's up there, and I'm okay with it. This turn we'll probably captain. Well, we know what we're drawing, so we're definitely going to captain. Lands. Captain. Can we hit something good? Something juicy. If we just go wide, this should be pretty much brick-walled, so I don't want to drop off the Realm Walker, even if we get, like, the Hunt Master. Stick with 1 mana. Catilda or Tauren? I really think with Catilda... Man, if we go wide with this too, though, I think Catilda's better. I think if we generate a ton of mana and get Realm Walker down, Yep, Play with Fire comes down again. That would have killed the other option anyway. But now they can't attack through the captain very well. Unless they have more instant speed removal, which... Torof's Disciple, okay. Do we want to trade here? Yeah, that's fine. Sure. Lands. Alright, let's start with the Realm Walker. Human. Okay, sure. We might just play a bunch of Evangels and just try to go wide. Again, if we outcard them, they're dead. More removal. Man, they get to play a card off of Rahilda. So annoying. And they get a 3-drop. I doubt they have a sideboard, though. But they do get a 4-3 for free. Oh, man. Super annoying. At least double Guardian Evangel can trade with the Huntmaster. Cannot trade with Rahilda, though. They're just going to continue to get value off of that. Man, I think we have to. Otherwise, we can threaten the lair this turn. Just take 4. Let's see if they want to deal with that. Shit. Well, that's fucking game. Double strike. Just have to get rid of Rahilda. Alright. Is that enough to turn the game around is the question. They get Catilda down. Okay. Anything else? Another Rahilda. We just do not have good answers to that. That's an okay answer. That at least brick walls the Rahilda. Whew. Tough game. We've had a pretty stellar draw against us so far. Alright, definitely going to chump block here. Take 4 per turn. Fine. Lifelinker might be crucial this turn. Land. Townraiser Tyrant. Brutal. Ay. Well, we're going to need the Lifelinker, I think. Yeah, we have to play the Lifelinker. Three, 5. Well, they actually can attack through here. Let's try to attack with our Vigilance. Do they want to double block? They could. Chump block there. Okay. Take 4. Yeah, opponent's had an amazing game so far. Just all the stops at every turn. Does not feel good. Sure. I will happily dump that. Just attack there. Okay. Well, we're dead next turn. Unless we have a miraculous draw. What do we need to win here? Huntmaster, drop this, get Brutal Cathar, still lose. I don't think there's anything we can draw that gets us out of this. Champion of Light. I didn't think about that. Doesn't change anything. Actually, we can attack with the Lifelinker, I guess. Interesting. Chump block there. Trade with the adversary. We do go up 5 life. I think we still lose this coming turn, though. We have 2 blockers. And they have 4 attackers. So they'll hit us with Catilda, and then we'll lose. Well, we can block the Townraiser, actually. All right, let's see what happens here. So we go block, block, take 5? Go down to 3? Yep, they're going in here. Ooh, they don't. That's huge if they take a turn off. They are down to 10. We can almost cheese victory here. Double strike hurts. So we tap both of these. Can we afford to attack with Sigarda is the question. So if we tap both of these, what does it take to flip back? 2 spells, so we can flip back. So I'm gonna think of this. If we tap both of these, attack with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not lethal. Double strike. Yeah, okay. All right, we'll do this anyway. We do get to double spell here, which is big. All right, you're definitely getting in there. And do we attack with Catilda? Only have 2 blockers? No, I think not. All right, that's a lot of damage. They want to double block there and kill you off. All right, well, Hilda's definitely going down. Okay, not too bad. All out of cards, though. They can hit us for 8. Any burn spell and we're dead. Actually, we can block with Sigarda. Wow. I think we give them the business, right? So we attack, they go block, block, take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's give them the business. Let's see what you got. Huntmaster, I guess Realm Walker. I mean, Huntmaster's just big, but Realm Walker could get something else, I guess. How do they block? Okay, block there. Block there. 10 damage on the field. They must have an instant removal spell right now. And it can only target creatures. Okay. Opponent down to 2. Wow, we might actually get out of this. Very close here. Start here. See if we can get another Evangel off the top or something. Human. It's not. Okay, fine. Man, do we attack with both and get him down to 1? I don't think so, actually. That means we have lethal next turn if they just brick. So bad. They gotta have something, right? I don't think we attack here. They kill the Evangel for free. We get in for 1 damage, brings it to 1. Next time we attack with both. I mean, it's Guts 2. They have 2 cards in hand, though. How can both of them be irrelevant? Are they really all lands? No. All right. Damn. Where do all these lightning bolts come from? It's just all Toralf. Toralf doing work. All right, they attack. I think they have more removal. They're going to kill Evangel. Let's try to get us the rest of the way. And of course, we hit more land on top. Play with fire. Okay. It's a race. We draw lands. I mean, whatever. Do you have lethal? Dahlia. Okay. No attacks here. It's a top tech war. Land. They haven't played land in a while. So these two are spells. Huntmaster. I think we attack with both. They block here, kill 1. Whatever, that's fine. Or we can stall 1 more turn. Yeah. We got lethal, make them have it. Block here. Is that game? Wow. Oh man, I can't believe we won that. That was such a struggle. Good game for us. And further into Platinum we go. If you liked that video, click on one of these 2 next. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Dr. Ruckus, and I'll catch you next time.